Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Murray Siding is a small rural community located in Colchester County in central Nova Scotia, just west of the town of Truro. The community is part of the Greater Truro area and is surrounded by forests, farmland, and rolling countryside. While the population of Murray Siding itself is relatively small, it benefits from its close proximity to Truro, one of the most important service and transportation centers in Nova Scotia. The area offers a combination of rural living and convenient access to nearby amenities and services. The history of Murray Siding is closely connected to the development of rail transportation in Nova Scotia. During the 19th century, railways became essential for moving people, agricultural products, timber, and manufactured goods throughout the province. The name Murray Siding reflects this railway heritage, as a siding was a short section of track used to allow trains to pass or load freight. Communities often developed around these transportation points, helping support local farming and trade. Long before European settlement, the region was home to indigenous Mi'kmaq communities. The Mi'kmaq traveled extensively through central Nova Scotia, using rivers, lakes, and forest trails for transportation, fishing, hunting, and trade. Their connection to the land extends back thousands of years and remains an important part of the history of Colchester County and Nova Scotia as a whole. As settlers arrived during the 18th and 19th centuries, agriculture became one of the primary industries in the region. The fertile lands around Truro and Murray Siding supported dairy farming, livestock operations, and crop production. Farming remains an important part of the local economy today, and many rural properties continue to reflect the agricultural traditions that helped shape central Nova Scotia. The nearby town of Truro played a significant role in the growth of the surrounding area. During the 19th century, Truro became a major railway hub and commercial center. Because several important rail lines met there, the town earned the nickname Hub of Nova Scotia. Communities such as Murray Siding benefited from their location near this growing transportation and economic center. Today, Murray Siding offers residents easy access to major transportation routes, including Highway 102. This highway connects the region to Halifax, northern Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. The location has made the area attractive for people seeking a rural lifestyle while remaining within commuting distance of employment, shopping, healthcare, and educational services. The natural environment is one of the defining features of Murray Siding. Forests, rivers, wetlands, and farmland create a varied landscape that changes dramatically throughout the year. During autumn, the area becomes known for colorful foliage, while winter brings opportunities for snowmobiling and other seasonal recreation. Spring and summer highlight the region's rivers, wildlife, and agricultural landscapes. Outdoor recreation is popular throughout Colchester County. Residents and visitors enjoy hiking, fishing, cycling, boating, hunting, and exploring the many natural areas found throughout central Nova Scotia. Nearby Victoria Park in Truro, one of the largest urban parks in Canada, provides trails, waterfalls, and scenic viewpoints that attract visitors from across the province. Housing demand in the Truro region has increased in recent years as more people relocate to smaller communities across Nova Scotia. Murray Siding is often viewed as an attractive location because of its rural setting and proximity to Truro. Average house prices in the area have generally ranged between $300,000 and $450,000 in recent years, although prices vary depending on the size of the property, acreage, and condition of the home. The economy of the surrounding region is supported by transportation, agriculture, healthcare, education, retail services, and manufacturing. Many residents work in nearby Truro while enjoying the benefits of living in a smaller rural community. Continued growth throughout central Nova Scotia has encouraged new residential development and investment in local infrastructure. Today, Murray Siding remains a small but important part of the Greater Truro region. Its history reflects the influence of railways, agriculture, and transportation on the development of central Nova Scotia. Surrounded by natural beauty and connected to one of the province's key regional centres, Murray Siding continues to offer a blend of rural character, community spirit, and access to modern conveniences. Thanks for watching!